Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today, we're excited to take a look at some fast charging products, including this OtterBox fast charging cable. This is 2 meters, 6.6 feet. It has braided cable technology. It has the lightning end. It has relief here when it meets the cable section. And it also has the USB-C end. So this is for fast charging your iPhone and other devices. And then we have the white braided fast charging cable made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. This is the 1 meter, 3.3 feet edition. Has the same features as the black one that we just showed you, but just in a different color. Same relief, same metal jackets around the top there. USB-C and lightning tips. And then we have the OtterBox PopSocket case. This has swappable pop sockets. So there it is. It's built in. You can twist this and pop it off and then replace it with other ones. This is for the iPhone 11 Pro, as you can see here for the camera bump area. They also say this is wireless charging compatible. I think that's very cool because a lot of these accessories on the back preclude you from being able to charge your phone wirelessly. So you can do that with this case from OtterBox. And then we have the clear case. This is good for iPhone SE 2nd edition, iPhone 8, and iPhone 7. This is the clear model. So all of your buttons are covered. There's a camera relief area, so your cameras don't get scratched when this case is on. Charging ports are open. So that's for the new iPhone SE 2nd edition. And then we have for iPhone 11 Pro, we have another case. This is in like a blue color. And you can see this inside area is raised to protect the glass from the iPhone right here. It's also a large cutout for the cameras. So this is for the iPhone 11 Pro. And then back up here we have the Amplify, engineered by Corning glass screen cover for iPhone 11 Pro. Has the whole kit, has the guide and the accessories, comes in the box. We highly recommend this. I had a glass screen cover from OtterBox put on an iPhone 5 many years ago, and it's still not broken. So amazing technology there. And that's what we have. We have iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone SE, glass screen covers, and charging cables, all from OtterBox. They also give back as well. So when you buy a product, they give back to the community. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.